Hello everyone, this is me Rabab Zehra from TechX Media. We are at JISEC Global 2024 and I have with me right now is Amit Zochi. He is founder and managing partner at Morphosis Venture Capital Limited. So let's speak with Amit and get to know more about him. Hi Amit, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Good. So Amit, we are at JISEC Global 2024 and you are a vital part of JISEC this time. Please tell us, how are you associated with the event?
So I'm, as you said in my introduction, I manage a venture capital firm which invests in tech startups. My background is in strategy consulting, working alongside other investment firms across the world, and working with their portfolio companies to help them create value. So it's, I guess, the combination of those two things that got me involved in JISEC, as I have done with a few other organizations in the past, and with two particular things. One is looking at spending time with some companies, some founders of interesting cybersecurity companies here who are looking for specific answers around things around their growth, fundraising, etc., as part of the mentorship labs. But also spend some time with the competition, the CyberStars competition, where a lot of interesting startups from across the world have come in to make their pitches.
So you talked about JISEC CyberStars and you are associated with it. What kind of opportunities you see for young entrepreneurs with this initiative, and how do you look at this initiative of JISEC?
See, the good thing about JISEC is, well, there's several good things, but one really good thing about that is it's focused on verticals, which is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is, from an investor's perspective, hot sector. Will continue to be, especially with AI, etc. And from the perspective of Dubai being right in the center of the world, geographically speaking, and Dubai's intentions and aspirations of bringing the technology world into Dubai, etc., it just fulfills both of those aspirations really well. And it was heartening to see the quality of entrepreneurs and startups come in both in mentorship labs as well as in the CyberStars competition. Come in from different parts of the world, from Europe, from the US, from Australia, from India, from Israel. And to have these guys come in and then spend their time here and engage with people, investors, participating in the competition, the average quality of it has been quite hard. Very impressed with the average quality of the startups and what they're doing in the cybersecurity space.
That's interesting. Amit, another thing happening here at JISEC is Mentor Labs. How do you look at this? What is your observation about the Mentor Labs?
See, Mentorship Labs is a brilliant initiative. I think when I first looked at it, when I started speaking to JISEC about that, my response was, events like this need a lot more
Correct.
opportunities for founders to interact with investors and others, potential customers, in an informal setting. There are so many questions. Take a typical company where the founder is very, very good on the technology side, right? But they haven't quite done the journey. They may be in their second year of operation. There is a whole journey to be done after that, both in terms of making their product and their proposition really useful for customers, but also building the company out and the product out in a way that it actually makes sense for investors. To have the opportunity to interact with both potential customers and investors in an informal setting, for them to be able to answer questions that really make a difference to the future of the startup. It's a great need that not many startups actually get the opportunity of on a regular basis. And I think that's one of the best parts of JISEC and the way it's been organized.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Amit, for being here with us. And it was a pleasure talking to you.
It's a pleasure, and thank you for having me.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to TechX to know more about what is happening at JISEC Global 2024. Goodbye.